Take after. Be like your family. Look or act similar to them. John takes after his father with his love for music. Jenny definitely takes after her mother. They have the same blue eyes and smile. Bring up. Take care of a child and help them grow. Sarah's parents brought her up with strong values. Mark is bringing up his son on his own after his wife passed away. Live with. Stay in the same home as your family. Emily lives with her grandparents because her parents work abroad. I'm planning to live with my sister when I move to the city for college. Settle down. Make a calm and happy life, often with a family. After years of traveling, Rachel decided to settle down and start a family in a quiet town. Tom and Lisa are excited to settle down in their new house after their wedding. Grow out of. Stop doing things you did as a kid, like toys or habits. Peter grew out of his fear of the dark as he got older. Rebecca finally grew out of her old clothes and had to get a new wardrobe. Get on with. Have a good friendship or relationship with family. Despite their differences, Tim gets on with his brother very well. Amy doesn't get on with her cousin because of their conflicting personalities. Name after. Give someone a name like a family member's name. They named their daughter after her grandmother. He was named after his uncle, who was a well-known artist in the family. Grow up. Become an adult from being a child in your family. Maria grew up in a small town before moving to the city for college. Michael wants to be a firefighter when he grows up. Look after. Take care of and protect someone in your family. Emily looks after her little sister when their parents are at work. The older siblings always look after the youngest in the family. Tell apart. Know the differences between family members who look alike. Identifying the twins is hard. Only their mother can tell them apart. It's difficult to tell the cousins apart because they look so similar. Pull together. Work as a team and help each other in the family. The family pulled together to support their aunt during her illness. In times of crisis, it's important to pull together as a family. Wait up. Stay awake until a family member comes back home. Lucy often waits up for her son when he's out late with friends. Dad usually waits up for his daughter when she's at a late-night party. Bring in. Introduce a new person to your family or home. She brought in her new boyfriend to meet her parents. The family brought in a foreign exchange student for the semester. Come around. Visit the house of a family member or friend. Grandpa loves when friends come around for afternoon tea. We should come around more often to see our relatives. Stand by. Support and stay with a family member in hard times. Tom stood by his sister throughout her difficult divorce. The whole family stood by Grandpa when he was in the hospital.